Okay, so here we have in this box our Brasserie Classic Sticky Toffee Pudding, but you're going to get it with custard, not ice cream, unless you've got some in the freezer. In the box, you're going to find some beautiful candied pecans, custard, plenty of toffee sauce, and 2 sticky toffee puddings. To get this hot, we're going to pop the sticky toffees in the microwave for about 2 minutes on high. Now for me, I'd always put it in for about a minute first, just because I don't know what your microwave's like. The toffee sauce, we're going to pop in a pan on the stove to boil until it's good and hot, and the custard will slowly cook in a saucepan. Now that our sticky toffees are nice and hot, and we've heated up the custard in a small saucepan, and the toffee sauce boiling a bag on the stove, we're going to just tip these beautiful toffee puds out. Carefully, with some tongs, remove your hot toffee sauce and add lashings to your sticky toffee. Never enough toffee sauce. Then we're going to open up these beautiful candied pecans and sprinkle these over the top. And then the custard, either poured over the top or in a jug on the side. It's up to you. And simply enjoy it.